How to control animation, play, pause in JavaScript. Controlling animation play and pause using JavaScript gives you power over the user experience. Instead of letting animations run endlessly or based on CSS only, you can dynamically play or pause them with logic. You start by identifying the animation element on your page. JavaScript lets you manipulate this element by interacting with its animation properties. You can use functions to toggle between playing and pausing based on user actions, like a button click. It's important to set your animation with CSS first, and then use JavaScript to add control. This approach is great for games, interactive tutorials, or guided content. Adding event listeners can help trigger these changes when specific interactions happen. Overall, JavaScript gives you real-time control, helping you craft smoother and more intuitive user interfaces. With this method, animations become more than just visuals. They become interactive features that respond to users